I've got an order to do 30 of these for this gentleman. He makes some beautiful forges, so if you like doing blacksmithing, this is he's the person to go to. And he's just done some by appointment to the Queen, obviously for her blacksmithing possibly. And there we go, it's busy engraving it. Another 15 to go, I think. I'm going to have a button here. Here's the man with the plan.
Oh no. Is it filming?
Yes, it's filming.
Oh, hello.
What you after?
Do you want a brew?
Well, I need to go to the range, so would you like to go for another cup of coffee? Would you like to go for another cup of coffee?
Yeah.
I'll continue this later. We're going for a cup of coffee. Well, I'm back. I'm all coffeeed up. His lordship. I was going to buy him a coffee, but unfortunately when I got in the car I said, oh, I can't find my purse. Can you pay? Excuse me. So he paid for the coffee, and then I bought some other things, and I said, can you pay for that? And I said, I'll pay you when I get back. When I got back, I found my purse. It was actually in the car. It had fallen off the seat and gone down the middle of the two seats. So he paid for it. I said, do you want me to pay it back? And he said, no. So I'm not going to complain. Anyway, can we go back to this? This is kind of a random thing. I made something like this before a few years back, but on that occasion I only made one buttonhole, and then I put a button there, I think, and then I wrapped it around my neck like that and went with a button there, and it became a scarf like that. But I'm trying something different. First time, I'm not sure if it'll work. I've got a buttonhole there and a buttonhole there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist it so that it's lying like that, okay? And I'm going to have it so that it goes there. And because it goes there, I'm going to have it so that the button goes there and the button goes there. So I need to sew two buttons here and here. Right? So let's go from there. And I'm going to use bright buttons. And excuse the state of my hair. Different pair of glasses again. I've lost the other ones. I don't know where I put the other ones. They're somewhere lying around. Because I have to take them off to see like that, they keep dropping down. So in the end, I take them off, and then I can't remember where I put them. So this is yet another pair that I got. These are all, in case you think I'm really rich and I'm buying glasses, these are a collection of glasses. Because my eyes haven't changed that much, they're a collection of glasses that I have had for the sum total of about 30 odd years. And I keep saving them, and because in days gone by I was able to get the lenses updated, but now you can't. So I have lots and lots of glasses, and every now and again I change them and I put different ones on. So this is a pair that I got a few years back, and very, very whitey greeny coloured pair. So anyway, I'm going to come back in a few minutes. Hi everybody, I'm not looking my best because that cough that I had got worse and worse. So this is going to be quite a brief vlog. My throat is really, really sore. I have coughed so much in the past few days that I feel like my chest is absolutely exploding. I've done an what do you call it, tests again, not COVID, although apparently the Omicron COVID is increasing in the area. So we're going to got that to look forward to as well. Heavens above. Right, so I think I'd be better off if I pushed you right back there. I'm busy sewing. I have been sewing and I'm busy making I'm making a little rabbit or a dog. I can't decide. I think it's a dog. I'm busy making a dog. Drew it myself. Saw something from Pinterest and thought it was a good idea, so I'm trying it out myself. Just tried the design, and that's as far as I've got at the moment. I think it's going to be a hound dog because he's got long ears. At first I thought it was going to be a rabbit, but I think it's going to be a dog. So I've got that I'm busy with. And then the dress, the named dress, which is called, what's it called? The named Taika blouse dress. That's part of the pattern. The Taika blouse dress, I have made one completely, and the other one I'm busy making a second one. I liked it so much, but the first one I felt was a little bit too big. So this one I've gone 2 sizes smaller, and probably it's going to be a little bit too tight. But I'm on a mission at the moment to try and lose weight. So I'm on a mission. His Lordship and I are both on a mission to try and lose weight. I also went to check. I've been to the Well Woman's thing, whatever they call it, Well Woman's clinic, and he's been to Well Men's, and he got his blood tested. His mother is diabetic. She's become diabetic in her latter years, and he got tested, and he was told that he's bordering on diabetic, which he doesn't like. And I told him that a lot of my family members had heart attacks. I'm going to sneeze. Phew! I was telling them, they were asking me if there was any history of heart problems in my family. Well, my mother had angina, my sister had a heart attack, and later, she's one of my old. I've got 2 older sisters. One died. She had a heart attack at 60, but and she died from a rare bone cancer. My other sister in France, Jackie, she has had stents put in her heart, and my brother's had a pacemaker put in his heart. So I'm thinking, well, am I the only one that hasn't had anything to do with anything wrong? So they've actually said, I've got a 17% chance of getting a heart attack, and I can bring it down if I lower my cholesterol. So, sorry. So both of us are on a mission to lose weight. I've so far I put some weight on before Christmas. I've lost half a stone, 3/4 of a stone. I'm gradually hoping to go down. But it's going to be a hard slog, especially when I've been coughing all this time because I've done nothing but suck cough sweets. So at the moment, not good. Now, someone made a comment that the material that I made my Take a blouse dress, the jersey material, that they had exactly the same, and she said it's beautiful fabric. I would agree with you. It is a lovely fabric. I'll show you it ready made. I want to try it on when I'm looking and feeling a lot better. But this is the Taika blouse dress. It's got I'm using what buttons I have, and the buttons that I had were red ones, and they go with the little red dots there. The dress looks lovely on, really nice. I did have to take it in a bit at the side because I felt it was a little bit baggy. That looks nice on. Now the other one, I'm not going to show you it finished. Well, it isn't finished because I've still got the sleeves to set in. But this is the fabric that I am using for this one. And I bought it last year. I thought it was a lovely fabric. I've got a needle there. Let's get that needle. I'm busy sewing buttons on. And I haven't got the sleeves in yet. But this is the fabric that I've got here. It's some lovely cotton fabric. And it looks lovely on. The buttons I'm using, again, I'm using anything I've got, not buying any. And the reason why I'm doing yellow ones is there's a little bit, where's the camera? A little bit of yellow in there. So I thought I would match with these buttons. These are wooden buttons. I'm hoping they look all right once they're all done. This is, as I said, is 2 sizes smaller. It just nicely fits me. I'm going to have to wear something underneath to get that lovely shape. I don't want little bumps all over the place, especially with this cotton. It's a viscose, I think. I wish I'd put pockets in, and I could add them yet, but I think if I put pockets in, because it's quite tight on me, or quite fitted, let's say, it might not look so good. So I'm going to make do and mend for the moment, but I do like this. I'll do another video. I'll do another video to tell you more about that in the next video when I'm feeling a lot better. Thank you very much for all your comments about that. I said, should I carry on? And you all said yes. This takes away the everything that's going on in the world. This kind of is our little safe haven where you can just switch off for a while and watch what's going on. So I'm going to continue. What else did somebody say? What have I been doing? Been fixing my cat's head back on my grandson's cushion. If you remember, I made 2 of these. I can't remember what colour the other one was, but this black and white one. He said he liked pink, so I made this black and white one, which is Newcastle United football colours, which is the colour that they support up north. And the head came off, so I fixed it back on. And this is from the Australian lady who does free patterns. I think she's starting to charge you for them now, or you pay for classes with her. But this was a free pattern, and I loved it. I thought it was rather nice. And I'll let you have to see. It's dirty. He's got it dirty, but you can see what it looks like. He's got a little bit of splodge on there, but that's the cat. So I've been fixing that on. I've got my rabbit that I'm busy doing. I have, what else have I been doing? Still tidying up. I'm kind of doing a little bit here and there. To be honest, I'm not in the mood. His lordship asked me if I wanted to go out today, and I said, to be honest, I really don't want to go out. So I'm not going to dwell too long, because I want to get this up and at least get you to see something. And hopefully by the time I've got some Manuka honey, which I bought last year. Some really lovely Manuka honey. And now we went away down to Maidstone for 2 days to see the company who's bought us. The company who bought his lordship's trophy business invited us down to Maidstone to see their company, to see how they work. And it was really nice to see. They are a lot bigger than we are. They've got 22 people working, and we were saying there was just the 3 of us, just him, me, his lordship, me and Debbie. We were turning out all these trophies, and they've got 22 people. But to be fair, they just said they've done a big order, which was £57,000, and we were always chuffed a bit if we did 4,000. So anyway, it was lovely. It was a lovely trip down there. We stopped in a hotel, a very big hotel. It wasn't a little one like the one that we're stopping when we go to our daughters, but we stopped in this big hotel, and I was coughing when I went into the breakfast. And the young waitress said, I said, I haven't got COVID. I said, I've tested. I said, I've picked this up for my grandchildren. I said, but it's just an awful cough. And she sliced some lemon for me, and she brought hot water, and I had hot water and lemon, and I got some honey from their food display. And then I thought, do you know, when I get home, I've got Manuka honey, which is the best honey to use. So I bought some lemons. I've been slicing up lemons, and I've had Manuka honey this morning and at lunchtime. It is now, what time? It's coming on for evening time. Okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 4:34 p.m.
4:34 p.m. So I'm about due a 3rd one, and then I'll have another one before I go to bed. Okay, Google, what's the weather like in Darlington? Sunny, actually.
Currently in Darlington, United Kingdom, it's 11 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a forecast high of 13 and a low of 6.
That's good. That's good. It's been a nice March so far, but we've got a feeling it's going to go and get worse for the end of March. Okay, Google. What's the best thing to take for a very bad cough? Let's see if she can tell me.
I found a list on the website medicalnewstoday.com. 12 natural cough remedies. Here are the first 3. Honey tea. Share on Pinterest a popular home remedy for coughs is mixing honey with warm water.
Well, there you
Ginger. Ginger may ease
Got
a dry
ginger
or
as well.
asthmatic cough, as it has anti-inflammatory properties
Well, I don't need
and
ginger.
fluids. Want to hear more?
No, Google. Thank you, Google.
Okay, let me know if you need me.
So, yes, I'm taking lemon and slices of lemon with Manuka honey. It's not cheap, but it's really good. I actually also pinched some honey from the breakfast area. I got some sachets of honey, and I brought those home with me. So yesterday, so I've been having that as well. And so, what else do I want to tell you? Well, we had a nice trip down to Maidstone. I keep getting them mixed up. It wasn't Maidenhead, it was Maidstone, which is down the south of England. They are a really lovely company. We enjoyed being with them. They took us out for lunch, and then they put a proposition to his lordship. Because he's been doing so well, they said, would he like to continue in September? Not necessarily to work full time, because they don't want him to work full time, he's retired. But they said, as and when you wish, would you do some promotion for us? So he's absolutely thrilled to bits, because he kept saying, I don't know what I'm going to do in September. He would get his band going, but unfortunately, the singer's gone. They're looking for another singer and they can't get one. So he's feeling a bit low about it. But anyway, I'm going to stop there. I want to give my voice a rest. I want to get this better so I can talk to you more next time. So I'm going to love you and I'm going to leave you, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.